For a very long time, Asus has been trying to find its place on the smartphone market horizon. Well, it was successful in its initial endeavor via the smartphones like Asus Zenfone 4, 5 and 6. But then it got crazy and started overpricing its smartphone and lost all value that it had. Combined to that, they gave poor smartphone software upgrades and had a terrible laggy UI. Well, now they have switched over to stock Android for most of its smartphones. And in an attempt to find its place, it has now been launching some gaming smartphones recently. Well, looks like Asus ROG Phone 2 is likely to debut in July. So, let's have a look at it. First of all, Asus has teamed up with China's Tencent Games, which has developed popular games like PUBG Mobile for mobile users. The Taiwanese brand announced this on Weibo. Well, what kind of specifications do you expect from this device? It will be having a Full HD Plus or a Quad HD Plus AMOLED display and is likely to have a 90Hz or 120Hz panel to appease gamers. This has been seen on phones like OnePlus 7 Pro, which has a 90Hz panel. And as for the RAM, this smartphone is expected to come in RAM variants starting from 8GB and going up to 12GB. And internal storage will start from about 128GB on this smartphone, and it will obviously be running on the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 chipset. And it may also have a similar 3D vapor chamber cooling like it was present on the previous smartphone of Asus ROG. And the pricing is obviously going to be very steep on this particular smartphone, and it will be above $1,000 or 70,000 rupees when it launches in several markets. So what do you think about this device? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos.